To vault Kubernetes Auth, you need to understand the basics of Kubernetes and HashiCorp Vault. Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration system and HashiCorp Vault is a secrets management tool. First, you need to install and configure HashiCorp Vault, and then you need to install the Kubernetes Authentication backend. The Kubernetes Authentication backend allows you to authenticate with Vault using a Kubernetes service account. Next, you need to configure the Kubernetes Authentication backend by creating a role that specifies the parameters for the authentication. This includes the bound service account and the bound namespace. After that, you need to create a Kubernetes service account and configure the service account to authenticate with Vault. This is done by creating a secret that contains the Vault authentication URL and the service account token. Then you need to deploy the application that uses the service account to authenticate with Vault. The application uses the service account token to authenticate with Vault and retrieve the secrets stored in Vault. Best practices for vaulting Kubernetes Auth include using a secure method to store and manage the service account token and using a least privilege approach to restrict access to the secrets stored in Vault. It is also important to monitor and audit the authentication and authorization of the application to ensure that the secrets are being accessed securely. In summary, vaulting Kubernetes Auth involves installing and configuring HashiCorp Vault and the Kubernetes Authentication backend and then creating a Kubernetes service account to authenticate with Vault. By following best practices, you can ensure that your application is accessing secrets securely and that your Kubernetes cluster is protected. Key concepts to understand are the Kubernetes service account, the Vault authentication backend, and the secret management. Practical examples include using the Vault CLI to authenticate with Vault and using a Kubernetes deployment to deploy the application that uses the service account to authenticate with Vault. By understanding how to vault Kubernetes Auth, you can better protect your Kubernetes cluster and ensure that your application is accessing secrets securely.